everybody, and welcome to Blue Sky Nail Secrets. I'm your global ambassador, Anna Almbanis, and today I'm going to show you our BLUESKY Starter Kits. Everything you need for professional looking gel manicures. Ideal for nail technicians, students, and even home use. We have two starter kits. Our 10 ml starter kit is good for home users and students that are just starting out. It includes a 24-watt LED lamp that is compact and easy to carry. The kit also includes a gel polish, base coat, top coat, a nail file, a buffer, and a box of cleanser wipes. Our 15 ml kit includes everything the 10 ml has in the 15 ml size, plus a larger 48-watt LED lamp, as well as a cuticle oil, acid-free primer, a cuticle nipper, and cuticle pusher. Use your BLUESKY Nail File to file the edge of your nails to the desired shape. Buff your nails gently with your BLUESKY Nail Buffer. Use your BLUESKY Cleanser Wipes to prepare and clean the nails. Apply a thin layer of BLUESKY Base Coat to all 4 fingers and thumb, capping the ends of the nails. Do not touch the skin around the nails or the cuticle. Place hand in BLUESKY Nail Lamp. Turn on and choose the 60-second timer. After 60 seconds, the lamp will turn itself off. Your base coat is cured. However, it will still be tacky as it creates a sticky layer for your color coat to attach to, so avoid touching the nails. Apply a thin layer of your desired color and cap the end of the nail, avoiding the cuticle and sides of the nail. Place hand under BLUESKY lamp and switch on and choose the 60-second timer. Repeat steps 6 and 7 until you're happy with the depth of color. 2 coats are recommended. However, 1 coat will give you a sheer look, while 3 coats will give you a very solid, deep color. Apply a thin, even layer of BLUESKY top coat, capping the ends of the nails, trying not to touch the skin around the nails or cuticle. Place hand in BLUESKY Nail Lamp. Turn on and choose the 60-second timer. Use your BLUESKY cleanser wipes to remove the tacky layer and create your high shine finish. And that's it for our BLUESKY Starter Kits. Please contact your local BLUESKY distributor and don't forget to follow us on our social media. We are always so happy to read your comments. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.